Welcome to Lab Junction, a brand owned by scientific people, your one-stop solution for testing and laboratory needs. At Lab Junction, we are committed to bringing you state-of-the-art testing solutions for water testing, soil testing. Trusted by professionals across industries, we ensure precision and reliability in every product. The LJ101 is a high-performance pH meter designed for water testing. It ensures accurate pH level readings, making it a preferred choice for lab professionals. Next, we have the LJ102, an advanced pH meter suitable for both water and soil testing. Its ergonomic design and reliable performance make it an essential tool for agriculture and research labs. For versatile applications, the LJ Alpha 01 offers unmatched accuracy in pH and conductivity measurements, perfect for testing and laboratory use. The LJ111 stands out with its compact design and precision in testing pH levels for water quality assurance. Designed for soil testing, the LJ141 helps in optimizing agricultural productivity by providing quick and accurate results. With the LJ142, testing water for pH levels becomes effortless. It's lightweight, portable, and built for efficiency. The LJ1013 is a multifunctional tool for water and soil testing, offering lab-grade accuracy in a portable package. An innovation in pH measurement, the LJ1015 is ideal for both professionals and beginners looking for precise results. The LJ1611 delivers exceptional performance for testing, ensuring accuracy and reliability for laboratories. Our customers love us. Here's what they have to say about Lab Junction products. Reliable and easy to use, exceptional accuracy, and highly recommended. Shopping at Lab Junction is easy. Visit us at www.labjunction.in or explore our products on Amazon. For product demonstrations and tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/@labjunction. Lab Junction, empowering scientific minds with reliable testing solutions. Visit us online today.